Well, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2526th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, this is an update to the video that we looked at last night. You see this Dow Jones Transportation Average chart? We talked about, is this a double top? This was in last night's video. And the fact that it could be a double top, we know that when we see a double top, we sell a double top, but we decided we wouldn't take that trade. We would just stay out. And instead, we went after precious metals. But let me show you what happened to the transportation average today. Look at that. Look what happened. Wow, through the double top, right? As long as we stay up here in some fashion and don't get back under this circle by the close, this thing is just off to the races. I mean, everything has its little pullbacks, but that's it. We're ready to go. We're past all the hurdles. So the E-mini S&P, by the way, we looked at that in the chart in the video last night. We looked at the E-mini S&P chart, and look, that's at this moment in time, the market has not closed. It's only 2:08 p.m. in the afternoon Eastern, but look how far above the double top this is. Beautiful, right? So luckily we didn't take the advice of when we see a double top, we sell a double top. In this case, I mean, because it was just too volatile, we just stayed away from the indices. So we didn't get caught in the indices. What we did was we went over to gold and decided we would trade there. Remember I showed you the really bullish looking F flag, gold holding the support like crazy on this channel. We looked at this last night. Well, let's get the F flag out of the way for a moment so we can see what's going on. We did get long, and it went up a little and then came down and stopped us out. Bad call. So we stayed away from the E-mini S&P, which exploded, and my executive decision was to get long gold, and it went down. Sorry, guys. My bad performance. The charts spoke well in the indices, really, really well. You know, even in gold, it just came back down to the support once again. You know what I mean? Which seems to happen quite often. The fact that yesterday it ran up nice and high and was, you know, sitting there. It didn't go too far. Figured we'd chase it up again another day, but nope, that didn't work out for us. The silver, we talked about silver as well in last night's video. Let's go look at that chart. The silver, look at this one. It's still inside the F flag, the big green F flag. It's still above the 50, but what it did was it went up dramatically, turned around, and came back down to the line. Now, we didn't trade silver. We only trade gold, but that was costly. Sorry, OMNI. I know that was bad, especially when we had E-mini S&P trade staring us in the face, but the rules didn't allow us to take it today because of the double top. That got away from us. Instead, we traded gold. That didn't work. Sorry, cats, bad outing. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these charts. And remember, look at this one. I mean, wow. This is what started this mess. Oh, you know what? We don't need to be here. We need to be here. Look at this one. This is the one that started with that double top last night. Look at how far it's gone through. That is an absolute signal that, as we've been showing you in chart after chart, video after video, happier times are coming our way. It looks like that's what we're getting, kids. I like what we're seeing. Anyway, there's my midday update. We're in no positions at the moment. Once again, sorry we didn't get long that S&P. We had to let the double top play out. And gold, of course, just went the wrong way. Traders, please join me at livewithoscar.com. We will absolutely do this again tonight, and I'm sure we'll catch it right. The Omni is usually pretty darn good, just having a little rough patch. Anyway, I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Thanks for tuning in. Remember the risk involved. We lost today. Anybody can lose. Watch what you do. Put your stops in first, and join me at livewithoscar.com. I hope the update helps. Oscar out.